Hi, my name is Jason. I find my mindfulness through bonsai and other gardening activities. This is my starter kit, so I'll just get into it. First things first, we have the basic tools. This is a toolkit we offer. It includes all the basic necessities you need to get started on bonsai. These are by no means advanced tool sets. One of the key differences between this one, which is lower priced, to a nicer one necessarily, a more expensive one I should say. These tools, should they be exposed to water, they'll need to be maintained so they don't rust and things like that. Whereas you can buy more expensive stainless steel ones that won't rust. That we'll also be offering. So, to get started, you need some sort of tools to do your pruning, to do your potting, planting, etc. Next thing you're going to need are some pots. Bonsai literally means a tree in a tray, so any sort of shallow pot can do as a bonsai pot. It does not have to be a pot specifically designed for bonsai. In fact, one of my favorite things to do is find random items around that can use as a pot. But these are some that we offer that are specifically bonsai pots. Got some examples I recommend for a starter in terms of price, but also ease, is starting with a smaller size pot. About 4.5 inches is about what I recommend. This one's slightly more than 4.5 inches. That's about the size of the pot you're looking for. In addition to the pots, again, 4.5 inches is about the good starter size in my opinion. It makes it easier to put the plant in. You don't have to buy giant plants for it, or trees. You're also going to need wire, and this is to shape the tree, give it its initial form, set it up for a future where it's going to be a fantastic bonsai. There's different size wires. We generally use aluminum, but copper is also, it's kind of the preferred one if you're doing things with like a conifer, pine tree, or things like that. But we do offer aluminum and copper on the website. In addition to that, you're gonna need a plant. A really good, easy starter plant I recommend for almost anyone is a juniper. The reason why, they're very durable, they're pretty easy, and you can get very unique, interesting styles out of them. So you could put that in something like that, give it some motion with some wiring, and create a beautiful bonsai. Then the future will be far more interesting and look amazing. Plants, you can get them varying in sizes, ranging from probably around $5 to $7 for a small one, to something like a bigger one, which wouldn't really fit in one of these ones, although maybe it might fit in this one, for like $35, $40. Those are both examples of junipers, and we'll have those for sale on our website as well. In addition to that, you need a really well-draining soil medium. There's no specific soil that we sell for bonsai, but we recommend you mix inorganic with some organic matter, but it has to drain really well. The reason I chose these things is, as I was getting started in bonsai just a few years ago, I would have loved if someone had offered something like this, just a starter kit that gives me the basic necessities, nothing too fancy, because I just didn't know what I needed at the time and what would be useful and what isn't. So I wound up wasting money buying things I didn't need, prematurely killed plants, things like that. So this is the basic necessities, what we need. It'll allow you to have a happy, healthy bonsai and develop that habit, which hopefully can lead to some sort of mindfulness, which is our entire goal here.